Tired of the daily grind and longing for a touch of nature indoors? Look no further than the lucky bamboo. This versatile houseplant offers a multitude of benefits, from enhancing your decor to improving your well-being. Let's dive into the world of lucky bamboo and discover why it's so beloved. Beauty and elegance. Imagine a plant that adds a touch of elegance to any space, effortlessly blending into your interior design. Lucky bamboo's unique spiral growth and vibrant green leaves are a feast for the eyes. Why not experiment with different pot styles and placements to find the perfect spot that showcases its beauty? Ever felt stuffy indoors? Lucky bamboo to the rescue. As a natural air purifier, it helps eliminate toxins and pollutants, creating a healthier environment. Place your lucky bamboo in a well-ventilated area and watch it work its magic. A humidifying haven. Dry air can be a nuisance. Lucky bamboo increases humidity levels, providing relief for those with respiratory issues. Give your lucky bamboo a regular misting, especially during dry seasons, to maximize its humidifying benefits. Stress got you down? Lucky bamboo's calming presence can create a peaceful atmosphere. Find a quiet spot for your lucky bamboo and spend a few minutes each day admiring its beauty and appreciating its calming energy. Feng Harmony. Believe in the power of positive energy. Lucky bamboo is your lucky charm. Rooted in Feng Shui, it's believed to bring good fortune and prosperity. Carefully consider the number of stalks in your arrangement and place it in a favorable location according to Feng Shui principles. Check out the link above for the complete meaning of lucky bamboo stems. Busy lifestyle? No problem. Lucky bamboo is a low-maintenance plant that thrives with minimal attention. Simply water it regularly, avoid overwatering, and provide indirect sunlight. The playlist at the end of this video provides everything you need to know about lucky bamboo care, arrangements, placement indoor, and meanings. Be sure to check it out. Looking for a unique and meaningful gift? Lucky bamboo is the perfect choice. Consider customizing your gift with different pot styles, accessories, or personalized messages to make it extra special. This gift will surely make that special person happy and keep them smiling every day. Want to create a harmonious atmosphere in your home? Lucky bamboo is said to attract positive energy. Place it in a location where you can see it frequently and appreciate its uplifting presence. Feeling disconnected from nature? Lucky bamboo can bring the outdoors in. Spend time observing its growth, caring for it, and appreciating its unique characteristics. So, whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or simply looking to add a touch of greenery to your home, lucky bamboo is a wonderful choice. Its versatility, benefits, and aesthetic appeal make it a popular and rewarding houseplant. If you find this video helpful, hit the round button in the middle to subscribe and be part of the Garden Bamboo Plants community. Thank you.